Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I know the quality might be a little off in this video. I actually am switching back to my phone for a little while because the battery on my camera literally just won't charge. So hopefully the quality is okay for you guys. But today's video I am going to be doing a blood money tutorial, and I'm actually in a collaboration group with a few other people, so I figured I would actually record this video for you guys. So if you guys want to see the look I create, then make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below if you guys are enjoying my videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so right off the bat, I just went ahead and did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I'll link my brow routine down below for you guys. But we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and in case you guys are wondering, I'm in the shade Light Sand, or the shade I'm going to be using is Light Sand. Alright, and we're not going to set it because I want my base to be kind of tacky. So we're going to go in with the shade called Jaded, which is this matte dark green right here, and I'm just going to start building that up right in the outer corner. And I'm just taking that on my Lexi 229 tapered blending brush here. Alright, we're going to go with a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm going to go in with the Morphe M56 brush. So it's a really small blending brush here. Alright, and I'm going to go in with the shade called Crocodile Tears, which is that matte green shade right up top. And again, not tapping off the excess, and I'm just going to start blending in this green just to give it more of that green gorgeous color. And like I said, don't worry about the edges because we're going to go in with a makeup remover wipe and clean it up just a little bit. And then we're going to take a light blending brush. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star collab. This is the JS12 brush, so it's a quite small blending brush. And we're going to go in with the shade called Chameleon Fetish, and we're going to blend up on that brow bone there. Alright, and then we're going to go back in with the same brush that we took Crocodile Tears on, and we're just going to build out that color in the crease. Alright, and then to highlight the brow bone, I'm just going to take my Lexi mini round brush. It's the 141 brush, so it's quite small. Obviously we're going for quite a dramatic look today, but that's okay. I'm gonna take the highlighter shade, which is Divine Intervention, which is this white one that has a green shift to it, and I'm just going to slap that we are going to do a cut crease, but I'm thinking I want to do a little bit more of a dramatic cut crease. And we're going to add some glitters. I did get some glitters for Christmas, so I'm thinking of somehow like mixing these guys here. Maybe adding some gold, just because I really want to like go all out with this eye makeup look. So I'm gonna go very high with my cut crease. We are just going to take one of my favorite brushes to do a cut crease, because I need something very small and very precise. So I'm going to take my Lexi 246 Precision crease brush, and it's literally so perfect. And I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer. So I think just to start, I'm gonna do like my normal cut crease trick, and then we're just going to make it higher with like a flat liner brush or something along the lines of that. I'm actually just gonna leave it there, because like if I keep going, I'm literally just gonna be like Alright, so just to add some color, I am gonna go in with some shades on the palette, just so that way it's not like just straight up like glitter on my lids, but you can still see that there's like a shadow, and I didn't just put glitter on top of concealer. So I am going to take the shade called Emerald State, which is that metallic green shade right here in the palette, and I'm just going to focus that on my like this part of the eye, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to take that on my finger, because I feel like metallics apply best when using a finger. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that metallic green shade right here. That one is called Poison Ivy, and same deal, I'm just going to take it right on my finger. That, and then in the inner corner, I'm going to take the shade called Money Heist. So it's the really cool duochrome gold there, and I'm just going to take that right on the inner corner. Same deal, I'm just going to use my finger to apply it. I'm just going to go in with this Morphe and Jeffree Star brush, and I'm just using the JS11 brush. We're going to go in with some NYX glue. So if you guys actually don't have glitter glue, you can also use like an eyelash adhesive too, which I'm actually going to use that for the gold, so I'm pretty excited for that. So I'm just going to apply the NYX glitter glue on the back of my hand here. Just going to use that amount. That should literally be perfect. And I'm just taking it on the back of my finger like so. And the trick to the NYX glitter glue is you really don't need a lot, but just enough to make your base tacky. And obviously I'm going to do like one eye at a time, because by the time I get to my other eye, it's going to be dry, and we obviously don't want that. So I'm just going to go straight, and I'm going to take a little bit of the glitter glue on the brush, and I'm just going in with the dark green shade first, obviously. Like so, because I feel like this is not a makeup look for me if I don't have some type of glitter. And then I'm gonna go in with this neon green for the lighter green in the center. Now, is all of this glitter necessary? Absolutely. I just feel like it's not like a Stephanie look without it. We're also gonna do some like big bold lashes too. So I'm really hoping like this look just like comes together, you know what I mean? Okay, and then for the gold glitter, obviously I'm gonna have to take a smaller brush here. I think I'm just going to go in with the Jeffree Star JS14, which is the fine liner brush. Okay, so that is it for glitter. A little bit of gold in there. I think it's definitely like blood money. I love it. Okay, so just to deepen up that outer corner again, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Jaded. So I'm just going to do some winged liner. I'm gonna apply my lashes and I will be right back. Hi guys, so I'm back. I put on some lashes. I finished the rest of my face and then I finished the lower lash line. So the colors that I used are the same three, the Jaded, Crocodile Tears, and Chameleon Fetish, and I just blended them on my lower lash line. And of course, to finish off the inner corner, I did Money Heist as well. If you guys are interested, the lashes that I put on is the Kiss Lash Couture maxed out limited edition Drama to the Max lashes in the style Love. So they're very dramatic. And I highly recommend these. I actually picked these up at Walmart. They say that they're limited edition, but I don't really know if they really are or not. But there's that. And to highlight my face, I went in with my Kat Von D Alchemist holographic palette, and of course I use the shade called Emerald, just because it has like a green shift to it. But I figured I would come back. We're gonna do a lippy, so I'm just gonna do like a nude lip for this, just because I think it's probably just gonna go the best with this look. I'm gonna go in with my Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in the shade Pink Love, and then for my lipstick today, I'm using the Lime Crime Plushies in the shade Melon Smooth. So it's a very nude lip look that we are going to be doing today with a slight pink tone, because I think that's just gonna look like gorgeous. So I'm honestly in love with this look. And yes, I know my teeth look slightly blue because I've been drinking my slushy from Sonic. But honestly, I'm kind of upset how nobody talks about these, the Lime Climb plushies. Like, they dry matte, but they're like a comfortable matte, and they actually don't make your lips like all like gross. So, and it's not sticky at all. So yeah, what's the deal? Let's make those a thing. Alright guys, so just to finish off the look, I'm going to spray down my face. I'm going to use my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Alrighty guys, and this is the final look featuring the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette. I think this look is absolutely gorgeous. It definitely went outside my normal comfort zone. Added a little bit of glitter to make it more glam. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys like recreate this look or create looks using the Jeffree Star Blood Money palette, feel free to tag me in your posts on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram username down below, so make sure you guys follow me on there. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.